What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, in today's video I want to prepare you guys to make some money tomorrow, as well as teach you about the two-legged pullback. Okay, class will be in session today. Consider taking some notes or watch the video 2 times for greater and deeper understanding. Listen, do me a favor, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm kicking it off with my favorite portion of the video, which is loving on the family. Check this one out. This one was from No Chill, contraction and expansion. This is an example of what being surgical sounds like. Let's go ahead and dive into it. No Chill said, I peeped your video last night on the bear pennant and bear flag. I noticed SPY was chopping around and contracting later in the day, so I decided to draw a couple of trend lines. I noticed the pattern looked similar to one of the patterns you went over the night before. Watching the price action and volume flow, I felt a breakout expansion could happen soon in either direction. I then noticed the 13 EMA was acting as resistance. After 3 attempts to move and hold above the 13 EMA failed, and 2 candles closed below 13 EMA in my bottom trend line, I placed a put for $54. So he got in at $54. Look at the mindset. Look at the psychology. Look at the mental preparation No Chill is laying out for you guys. Now watch what happens next. I let it ride all the way down to 204 for a gain of over 200%. Guys, he hit a grand slam. Okay, he hit a... I'm gonna stop right here. Don't ever let nobody tell you what's not possible in the stock market, okay? Don't never let nobody tell you guys, I don't care about no losses. I don't care about none of that. If you do what he did, you can, this right here can make all your losses back in one play. This right here can get you your 100K in one play. That's how powerful this is, guys. He said, I did this all, check this out. I did this all while waiting in the parking lot to pick up my son from school. My God, my God. Listen to this. Buddy is sitting in the car waiting to pick his son up from school and being an absolute sniper and surgical with this game. You guys, nobody can tell me this ain't the most beautifulest game on the planet. He said, I appreciate everything you do and the work you put in to help people be better and free themselves. I'm in the Discord, but honestly, most of my jewels I picked up from you was free. My prayers and blessings to you and your family. No Chill, I want to say major salute. I read this one today in hopes that it helps not only show what's possible to our peers, to our family that's tuning in each and every day, but also, man, to keep you encouraged and to love on you and tell you, job well done. Okay, guys, listen. These things are possible. I'm one of the few people that give daily testimonials. I give daily testimonials. I don't need no website. I don't need nothing. Nothing. I got them every single day flying in like hotcakes, and I couldn't be more proud of you guys that send them to me on a everyday consistent basis, because we really walk through the journey every single day that the market is open, showing real results from real people. So that's what I wanted to kind of kick today's video off with. Now look at this, guys. Today we got the two-legged pullback I want to teach and show you guys. Okay, take a quick look at this image for me. All right, make yourself familiar with this. I wrote some of this out so you guys can see it and see what coach is looking at. So one, I always want to identify the trend. Okay, look at number 1. We're in a bullish trend. I told you guys the trend is your friend. Go with the trend, don't go against it. But take your eyes to number 2. That's the first leg down. Okay, that's what happened today on the SPY. I'm gonna teach you guys this in the letter, but this is just a graphic, but I'm gonna show it to you on the SPY in a second. Okay, this the first leg down after the bullish trend pulls back. Today I want to teach you guys about a pullback, because you need to know the difference between a sell-off, a crash, a pullback, a correction, and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, today was a two-legged pullback. All right, that's why I'm teaching you this, so that you guys can hit this play out the park tomorrow. Look at number 2. This is called a leg down. We call this a pullback. All right, now it bounces up, but like No Chill pointed out, even in his example, how about not being able to get above and close above the 13 EMA when it acting as resistance. That's exactly what the second leg down was trying to do. So look at the second leg down. This red candle is what I'm pointing to. Okay. This next green candle is called a color change. All right. Okay. So we had a big red candle. That's still called a boom boom candle, or what I call a crime candle. Okay. Then we had two green candles after the big red candle. Then we had the second leg down, okay? And then we have what's called a long pullback setup bar, okay? And long story short, we call this launching / preparing for takeoff. Whenever support is holding, you need to know the play is going right back to the side, upside, in which it came, okay? This is a two-legged pullback. I want you guys to look for this tomorrow on any stock that crashed today. Like if the SPY went down, if you was watching the plan of SPY, Nvidia, anything that was in an uptrend that pulled back today, when it's done pulling back tomorrow, okay, it is going to take off right back to where it came from, or it might make a higher low. Okay, so it might go, so say if something was 150, it might go to 149. Does that make sense? Still going to get up in that range, but it might come $1 short. I want you guys to think of it like that, okay? Watch this 2 times so you can see. I want you to really focus on number 1. I want you to focus on number 1, which is the first leg down of a pullback. That's what you guys experienced today, like after the market went to all-time highs and then it comes down. After Nvidia goes to all-time highs and then it comes down to 131. Now listen, Nvidia's, AMD's, all of that was manufactured. That wasn't them coming down. ASML had some news come out and they use that to kind of take the stocks down. So you need to understand catalyst that's making your plays go down, but get in position when you see levels hold, okay? Now check this out, guys. I want to show you this particular setup as it relates to the SPY, okay? Let's go ahead and dive into this. Check this out, okay? Look at this. The SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 579.81. I told you guys that the 580 level would be support. We're sitting right here pretty much 20 cents under it. But look at this. It came from 584. This is that leg down I just showed you guys in my illustration though. That wasn't SPY, but I wanted to show you the same thing. So it came down from 584, broke the 580 support. When it came down here, follow these numbers, guys. Okay, boom. We have 580. Then at 220, it wanted to kind of go down more. Boom, we hit 579, 578. Then we pop back up. This pop back up, okay, this is what I'm talking about the second leg. Let it finish going down tomorrow, because it's going to come back and get all the way back up to, let's just say 582. Let's just say something like 580, 582-ish, okay? But I want you guys to look for stuff like that, okay? Now listen, how farther can it go down, coach? Let me teach you guys this, all right? Look at where the stock is at right here. Let me show you guys this. Everybody look at this, 579.58. Draw a line straight across, okay? Draw a horizontal line straight across. That's one support. If 579.58 doesn't hold and we gap down tomorrow, watch this. Do you guys see these two levels right here? 579.70, 579.70. That's what the line will be crossing. So this is the levels we'll be at. But if we lose 579 is what I'm talking about. 575, I bet one of these next levels, I bet these tops is 575. Let's go look. Sure enough, look at this. 575 is going to be your next level if it falls from where we at right now, 579. Okay, I want you to draw a line, a horizontal line right here. Then you got to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of this range, okay? Then you draw a horizontal line at the top of this range, 573. I'm trying to show you guys. Our real level was way back here. Remember I was telling you 565? Well, that support held, and we done went up $20, okay, from that level. So now on the pullback, on the comeback downside, we gonna have 575/576 will be the next level of support if 579.94 don't hold. Listen, around here, you guys are to embrace and damn near master making money in both directions. If the SPY fall tomorrow, it's going to 575. I need y'all to hit it out the park. Okay, that's your $100 a day just off that move tomorrow, $1,000 a day, depending on how many contracts you buy. I want you to be sharp about this, guys. Be precise in this game for me, okay? 575 is the level it's going to go to and hold, okay? What a lesson I just taught back to the upside may happen from 579. If it don't happen from 579, look for it to happen from 575, 576. It'll play out the same way heading back to the upside. And guess what? Guess what? Write this down. And if it don't go back to the upside, okay, you got two things to look out for. It's going to trade sideways. If this trades sideways, that's just called running time up. Write this down. Running time off the clock. If it don't bounce back up and go back to 580, 582, and it just trades sideways, it's running time off the clock. That's number one. But that's a good thing because it's still going to eventually go back up. However, number two, if it lose 575, then it's coming down to 573 and it's going to make its way back to 568. Okay. That's a if this then that scenario. I want you to have the big picture. I'm not looking for all of that, but guess what? It don't matter. I react to what I see. I wake up in the morning, I do my due diligence, I look at what the market is doing. I'm studying it tonight. I studied it before this video. I'm gonna study it again heavy early in the morning. I'm gonna study it some more at 8 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, and right before market open to have it keenly aware in my head. What are they trying to do? And then I'm gonna crack their head, guys, and I expect you guys to do the same. Hey, be in the Discord first thing in the morning. The link for that is down in the description below. Come locked, loaded, ready to go. Bring your A game. We're making $100 a day tomorrow. This ain't next week. This ain't none of that. The rest of you gonna make $1,000 a day. It's just like this, okay? We either taking the trip down. If they gap down, we know we're going to 575. Okay, 576 if you guys just want to play it safe and not overstay your welcome. If we gap up, boom, we love that. We embrace that. We already know where we're going. We're going right back to where we came from. First order of business, it's going to be recapturing 580. That's going to take us to 582. Okay, keep the game simple. All right, these plays are life-changing when you learn to get the max out of them. All right, don't overcomplicate the game. All right, listen, guys, just want to hop on here, love on you guys, keep you all encouraged. What we got Wednesday coming up. We already off to a good start this week, but this pullback just means opportunity. Hopefully some of you wrote it down. Many of you did. But for everybody else, get in position. In a bull market, the pullbacks are short-lived, so you can't stay in puts forever. You got to get to the destination, support. Okay, you got 1 support, 2 support, 3. You always got to identify 3 levels of support. Which one is it hitting? Did it hit the first support? Did it bounce? You gotta always ask them 2 questions. Did it hit the second support? Did it bounce? And if it didn't, did it hit the third support? Did it bounce? It's gonna take action at one of those support levels, guys. Your job is to just see which one it is. Once you do that, you implement your game plan and you execute from there, okay? Listen, guys, just wanted to love on you guys today. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.